Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're exploring 10 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring timeless designs and real-world vintage value. Number 1. 1984 Harley-Davidson FXSB Lowrider, Davenport, Iowa, $6,500. This 1984 Harley-Davidson FXSB Lowrider represents the final chapter of the legendary shovelhead era. As the last production year for the shovelhead engine, models like this have become especially desirable among collectors and longtime Harley enthusiasts. Powered by the classic 80 cubic inch V-twin paired with a 4-speed transmission, this bike delivers the unmistakable feel and sound that defined Harley-Davidson in the early 1980s. This example shows just over 25,000 miles and remains approximately 90% original, including its factory paint. It features both kick and electric start, a belt drive final system, and forward controls, with the original mid controls included. Described as a well-preserved survivor, it runs and rides well and offers an authentic vintage cruiser experience without heavy modification. Number 2. 1980 Kawasaki Z1000 Classic, Arlington, Tennessee, $6,900. The 1980 Kawasaki Z1000 Classic stands as one of the most technologically ambitious motorcycles of its era. Unlike the more common carbureted KZ models, this version features factory electronic fuel injection, making it one of the earliest production fuel-injected motorcycles ever sold. Many were later converted to carburetors, which makes surviving EFI-equipped examples especially valuable today. This bike shows just over 13,000 original miles and has been carefully maintained with all systems functioning as intended. Its 1015cc inline-4 engine delivers smooth, strong performance, wrapped in timeless Z1-inspired styling. With excellent cosmetics and original components intact, this Z1000 Classic represents a rare opportunity to own a historically significant Japanese motorcycle that bridges classic design with early modern technology. Number 3. 1972 Triumph Bonneville 650, Lombard, Illinois, $3,500. The Triumph Bonneville 650 is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, and this 1972 example reflects the timeless appeal of the model. Known for its balanced performance and unmistakable parallel twin character, the Bonneville helped define the golden era of British motorcycling. This bike starts and runs, requiring only minor carburetor adjustment to be fully dialed in. Finished in classic blue and offered with a title in hand, it presents as a solid, honest vintage motorcycle rather than a heavily restored showpiece. The Bonneville's simple mechanical design makes it approachable for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on ownership, while still offering strong collector appeal. It's an excellent foundation for either careful preservation or light recommissioning for regular riding. Number 4. 1965 Honda Dream, Calhoun, Georgia, $3,000. Honda's Dream series marked the turning point in motorcycle history, introducing reliability and refinement that reshaped the global market. This 1965 Honda Dream shows just 7,483 original miles and remains in highly original running condition, making it a compelling example of early Japanese engineering. Equipped with both electric and kickstart, the bike starts easily and benefits from a recently installed battery, along with new tires and a new seat. The original black stock seat is also included, adding to its collector value. While sold on a Georgia bill of sale, the overall condition and originality make this dream a strong candidate for collectors seeking a historically important motorcycle that still delivers smooth, approachable performance. Number 5. 1973 BMW R75/5 LWB, Bremen, Alabama, $4,000. The BMW R75/5 long wheelbase is widely respected for its balance, durability, and refined touring manners. This 1973 example remains largely original, including its factory paint, and shows just over 42,000 miles, which is well within the expected lifespan of BMW's air-cooled boxer engines. Recent maintenance includes new tires, rebuilt carburetors, fresh battery, and updated fuel system components, ensuring it runs and rides well. While not perfect, its honest wear reflects its age rather than neglect. The seller notes minor quirks typical of a 50-plus-year-old motorcycle. With no title required in Alabama and documentation from a previous owner, this R75/5 offers excellent value for riders seeking a usable and authentic vintage BMW. Number 6. 1980 Yamaha XS850 Special, Greenfield, Indiana, $1,200. The Yamaha XS850 Special is a lesser-seen member of Yamaha's classic XS lineup, offering a smooth, three-cylinder engine and comfortable touring-oriented design. This 1980 example shows just over 20,000 miles and is currently a project bike rather than a turnkey rider. According to the description, the motorcycle was running before a valve train issue led to timing complications during repair. Since then, it has been stored, presenting an opportunity for a mechanically inclined buyer. With its distinctive triple-cylinder layout and classic styling, the XS850 has a loyal following. Priced affordably, it offers a solid platform for restoration or mechanical learning, especially for enthusiasts comfortable working through timing and engine setup. Number 7. 1975 Norton Commando, St. Paul, Minnesota, $6,000. The Norton Commando remains one of the most celebrated British motorcycles ever built, known for its performance-oriented design and distinctive riding character. This 1975 example is in running condition and has received several thoughtful upgrades, including a CNW electric starter and modern ignition components. Additional improvements include polished wheels, a cleaned and sealed fuel tank, a Mikuni carburetor conversion, and upgraded electrical systems. While still described as a fair condition bike with room for further refinement, it represents a strong blend of originality and usability. For enthusiasts seeking a classic British twin with improved reliability, this Commando offers a compelling balance between vintage character and modern convenience. Number 8. 1972 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Custom, Flowery Branch, Georgia, $6,000. This 1972 Harley-Davidson Ironhead has been transformed into a full custom rigid frame bobber, offering a very different experience from stock examples. Built as a show-quality custom, the bike has earned awards and magazine features, highlighting the craftsmanship behind the build. Finished in bold orange and backed by a clean title, this ironhead runs well and delivers a raw mechanical riding experience that appeals to custom bike enthusiasts. While heavily modified, it still retains the unmistakable ironhead personality. This motorcycle is best suited for someone who appreciates custom culture and wants a visually striking, one-of-a-kind Harley with proven show history. Number 9. 1982 Suzuki GS 650, Heath, Ohio, $800. At just $800, this 1982 Suzuki GS 650 stands out as an affordable and usable vintage motorcycle. The bike runs strong and recently received carburetor service, fresh seals, and new handlebars, making it close to ride-ready. The only noted immediate need is a rear tire, which keeps the overall investment relatively low. The GS 650's inline-4 engine is well known for reliability and smooth power delivery, making it a popular choice among riders seeking dependable vintage performance. This example is ideal for someone looking for a budget-friendly classic that can be enjoyed with minimal additional work. Number 10. 1977 Triumph 750 Custom Chopper, Ashland City, Tennessee, $5,000. Closing out today's list is this 1977 Triumph-based custom chopper, featuring a 650 crankcase paired with a 750 head. The engine and crankcase were professionally built by a local machine shop with only a few hours of ride time since completion. Although completed nearly 2 decades ago, the bike has spent most of that time in storage, preserving its mechanical condition. With a bold custom presence and unmistakable sound, this chopper reflects a specific era of custom motorcycle culture. It's a unique offering best appreciated in person, appealing to riders who value individuality and classic British power in a custom-built package. That's today's selection from Moto Market Explorer. Which classic motorcycle stands out to you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.